Hey everybody, Nate McGee here with MicroQuant. I want to show you how we traded corn today. What I have pulled up is a 240-minute chart here with corn, and we have our consolidation box. This box right here, that's just showing where price have been in consolidation after a rally. Prices tend to go sideways for a little bit to determine if they're going to continue in their up move or if they're going to start moving down. So we have a few levels here of support and resistance. We have this 500 level here, more of a psychological thing. We have this level 482 coming across these lows here for support. Some support here, support. But what we were trying to do today, whenever the ags opened up, we were trying to see if this was going to be a valid breakout. We see prices broke through the consolidation. They rolled back a little bit. This is a nice flag pull here and a bull flag formation if you look at it on a smaller time frame. And this key level right here is at 488 and 6/8. We don't want to see it retrace much further than that. A bull flag, you don't want to see it retrace more than 50% after a rally. So if you want to count this whole thing as a huge bounce up or a flag pull, then this is about as far as you want to go for retracement. So what we were doing, we were looking at the 250 tick chart and the 100 tick charts to try to get in on this trade. And that 488 and 6/8 level, you can see is right in here. So we started to take notice whenever prices were pulling down there. And as price came down, I went ahead and staged order. I think a couple of people did as well. We put our order right around here because we wanted to see if the market was going to not make a new low before it bounced up, or if it was going to make a new low. Sure enough, markets pushed down, hit our trade, and then it took a nice bounce way up. You see we had a bullish divergence here as well. As price came up here and they started to pull back, took out partial profit and put in a break-even stop, and we're actually still long on this right now. We're seeing if we can have prices move up a little bit further. We'll close it out at the end of the day if it doesn't reach our profit target. But you can see once it did go up a little higher, we had a bearish divergence, and then it sold off. And we had this key point here, the 492.5 for where prices could be coming down for re-entry points. And you can see it's done that a few times. So that's how we traded corn. We could expect to see this move up a little bit further, maybe next week. But I just want to show you how we entered it, how we kind of managed it a little bit, and how we saw the opportunity. That's it for me. Once again, it's Nate McGee. Remind you to trade smarter, not harder, and as always, trade with confidence.